inyong papansinin ay mahalaga na yung role ng Holy Spirit. You will receive power when the Holy Spirit comes upon you. Ang dahilan, ang sabi, and you will be my witnesses, telling people about me everywhere. In Jerusalem, geographic po yan, Jerusalem, throughout Judea, in Samaria, and to the ends of the earth. So hindi lamang doon sa ating